Welcome, my name is Rajan and you are watching the Drywall Guy from the 505. This segment is the basics of painting, 101, part 16. Let's get started.
Always make sure when you touch up over your primer, you sand it out, sponge it with water, and then you spot prime it. That way it doesn't have a tendency to flash through your finished paint. It's definitely best not to get into a rush when you're at this stage of the game, because this will be truly the finished product you'll be looking at for some time to come. So make sure you have things as even as possible. Make sure the nap or the texture of the primer or the paint is consistent all the way across, not thin here and splotchy here. Take the extra time to back roll it to make sure everything's just right, make sure there's no roller marks anywhere, and also pull in the same direction.
If you're enjoying the video, please like and subscribe,
Sideways.
and ring the notification bell. Please leave a comment below, it helps the algorithm and lets us know what other video topics you would like to see. Thank you.